Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to tie a knot on your thread for handmade sewing. Let's assume your thread is already in the needle. First option. Arrange the end of your thread along the needle like this. Then run the thread around the needle 4 times. The thread should be well strained. Now move the loops together. Hold them between your thumb and index finger and pull the needle out. And a perfect knot gets tied all by itself. The second option that I use most often is the following. Run the ends of your thread around your index finger. And just like this, pull the thread off while rolling it at the same time. Then tighten the knot, fixing it in place with the help of your middle finger. And that's what you get. Maybe you're going to need a bit of practice with that, but once you catch the trick, it's going to be no problem at all.